All right, let's go through the quiz here. So right now we're trying to find the proper meter for each of these. What meter is this going to be? Now remember, these are compound meters, which means they have to be divisible by 3 of some kind. So we can't make this worth a quarter because we get kind of a 1, 2, 3 half thing. So that means it's got to be the 8th note's going to have to get a beat. So it's going to be 8 on the bottom. So how many is going to be on top? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's where you get the 9 from. This one, see a lot of quarters, so chances are it's going to be, 4 is going to be on the bottom. Let's see if we can get 4 quarters in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh yeah, I guess we can. So 6, 4. Here we can't get quarters in here. That's 1, 2, 3. I can't. So it's going to have some sort of 800. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, this one you probably get quarters in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. All right, so which one of these is not compound meter? Remember, it has to be divisible by 3. That's one. So what can be compound time? Now, weirdly enough, so this is. I'm going to skip this for a second. So that's compound because divisible by 3. That's divisible by 3. That's not. That is. These aren't. I'll explain in a second, and then that's not. These really, I don't know. There's a debate. You can kind of make a justification for it being compound in a sense. The thing is that, what makes it compound is you have to have, when you're going faster, it's going to be smaller beats. So remember when this thing happened, it was 9/8, it has a feel of being a dotted quarter. So it has a feeling of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. These kind of don't really have that in the sense they just feel like they're 1. They're just feeling like they're 1, 1, 1, 1. So you could argue it. I think according to the answers that they say no, but you can make an argument for it if you wanted to. All right, you can do. Looks like we could probably do 8s here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that'll be a 6, 8. Looks like a lot of quarters. Let's see if we can do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. So you can do a 12, 4. This one, I'm going to guess 8 because you have these combined things here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Or, okay, let me do it over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then there's 6 in here. So that's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sorry, just really 12, 8. There you go. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's your 6, 8. All right, so which one's not divisible by 3? Okay, that's not divisible by 3. That one is. That one is. There's that one. That one is. That's not. That one is. That one is. That's not. And that one is. There's that argument again. I mean, really, you can actually make it, if you really want to be crazy, you can make it 1, 4. And maybe that's why it's not. Because a lot of these can be, something different. But they don't consider it being compound. All right, let's do this really fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's your 12, 4. Just in case you want to know, that's your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No, it's probably a bunch of 8s. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then that's 1 through 6. I'm going to do 6, 8. And this one's going to be what? Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In case you want more counting, it's going to be 6 of them, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because remember that is a dotted half breast. So there's 2 chords in there. All right, and that's 1 through 6, and then 7, 8, 9. This one's giving the corresponding beat of it and the feel of it. Remember I was telling you about the feel of it? So this is what the beats are. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But it feels, if you're going faster, that it's doing this. Just like up here. In this one, it's really 6 eighth notes, but it feels like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. All right, so they want you to rewrite these measures to have beams in it. Remember, they want to have it look like you can see where the major beat patterns are. Remember that the beat patterns are in 6, 8 is dotted quarters, so you want to be able to see where that 1, 2 is. So if you're rewriting it, so you get 1, and then 1, 2, 3. So it'll look like that. Yeah, sorry, that's a bit too big, but oh well. This one, they want you to make it so you can see the beat pattern. 1, 2, and then there's a 3 here. So they want these two together. So you get 1 and 3. This one, they want to make sure you can see where that beat pattern is. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one they want to see what the beat pattern is. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 1 and 2 and 3 and. So this one you're going to connect. This one you're not, because the beat pattern is there. So that way you see where that beat 3 is. Alright, what are we going to use for, looks like a bunch of 8s probably. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's going to be a 12, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, just so you can see it. All right, this one's going to be probably quarters, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, 6, 4. I'll just do these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and. All right, the last one probably is going to be quarters. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 4. This one, the same thing as the other one. You know, that's the global feel, and that's what the real end is. All right, got to beam these. So remember, that's going to be divisible by 3. So you have to have 1, 2, 3 as your first beat, and your 4, 5, 6. So you're not really going to do anything with this one because of that. Because you need to see where that beat pattern is. If you beam it, you can't see it. How about this one? There's beat 1, there's beat 2, there's beat 3. So these two we need to connect. This one, the beat pattern is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. So these we need to connect. 1, 2, 3, 6. beat pattern is going to be kind of weird here because you got this 1 and it's like in there. You know, that's 1 and 2 and 3 and so that's where you have that. So this one's not going to change, but this one can. All right, and that's it. Talk to you in the next video.